Yeah, if y'all look down here, y'all can see the brand new compressor on there, man. Like I said, I didn't want to try to do it myself because I figured it would have been way too hard for me, especially since I'm not even a mechanic, you know. I'm what you would call like a YouTube mechanic. I try to do as much as I can myself, and whatever I can't do, you know. Like I said, man, y'all ain't really gonna be able to see it. Y'all can kind of see, but we got a brand new condenser on there. This little black mark right here, that's the condenser right there, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I knew y'all wouldn't barely be able to see it. Maybe, yeah, I can't really angle it right. Well, now y'all see. Brand new condenser on there, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and turn the car over. Y'all hear it. Y'all can't feel it, but y'all hear it, you know what I'm saying? Man, y'all, I'm telling y'all. And it don't take long for it to get cold, you know what I'm saying? What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, if y'all remember the last video, not the last video, but there's a couple videos ago, I had told y'all that my charger was getting dropped off to get new AC put in, you know what I'm saying? So I literally dropped it off this morning and picked it up same day, you feel me? That's why I told y'all I wasn't gonna record dropping the car off and then, but I kind of wish I did. I mean, even though it would only been like literally a 1 minute drive. He lived literally 2 streets over from me, and finished my car same day. And guys, I'm so excited, y'all. My car finally has AC after me owning the car for 7 years, you feel me? I bought this car back in 2017, right when I turned 16. In 2017 I bought this car and it didn't have AC, you feel me? Which couldn't really complain for the price I bought this car for, you feel me? It was crazy, you feel me? I bought a running and driving car. The only thing I had to do was body work and get the title done and stuff for, I ain't even gonna say, you know what I'm saying? Cause it really ain't that serious. But like I said, man, this car didn't have AC and I've been thugging it out for 7 years, you feel me? 7 years I've thugged it out, no AC, riding with just windows down, and now I don't have to no more, you know? Y'all seen, I had showed y'all the new compressor we bought. Well, I got, you feel me, the new compressor I got. And this car also needed a condenser, so we went ahead and got the condenser ordered, you feel me? And it came in, and once it came in, we dropped the car off, you feel me? And then we had a new Freon put in the car, so the AC blow cold, you feel me? I just got done driving it, and I love driving this car again, you know? I finally got AC in this car. I don't have to ride with my windows down all the time. I now have options, you feel me? I can ride with my window down, or I can ride with the AC on, either or. And you feel me? I don't mind riding with the windows down. Honestly, I like riding with the windows down because I get to feel God's air coming in, you feel me, instead of having AC blowing all the time. So I'm gonna interchange. I'm not gonna always ride with the AC on, but this is my first time owning a daily with cold blowing AC, you know? None of my cars have well, my Cutlass do, but I gotta put Freon in it. And my box Chevy don't have AC because it was motor swap, and they didn't want to put the AC in, you feel me, when they did that motor swap, which I will be doing later on. I'm gonna be doing that, you feel me? But yeah, man, we got the new AC in here, AC compressor on, condenser, and Freon put in. And next we're gonna be dropping the box Chevy off, and it's gonna be like a week or so, you feel me? It's gonna be about a week before I drop that car off. But yeah, man, y'all ain't gonna be able to feel the AC, but man, I'm telling y'all, I'm so happy I finally have AC in this car. I can finally use my controls here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see it, I had it blasting in here with the AC on, because it's so bittersweet, you know? I've never had AC in this car, and now I do, you know what I'm saying? And y'all see the big box out of here because I had to drop the car off. I took that big old box out of here just so I can ride around and feel the AC coming out of the vents, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, like I said, I've never really got to play with these besides when it get cold outside and I have to have the heat on, and I never could have the extra cold blowing or just the inside, you feel me? Now I can rock out with this AC because I have an air in this car, you know? Like I said, man, y'all ain't gonna be able to feel it, but man, I'm telling y'all can kind of see I'm sweating now. So I turn that AC on, this sweat gonna go away, you feel me? I'm so happy, I'm telling you, I'm so happy. So I'm gonna show y'all basically the AC compressor. I'm not gonna be able to show y'all the condenser, but when he was working on this car, he had to pull off the front bumper to be able to access that condenser and get the old condenser out, you feel me, and put the new compressor in. Like I said, it was a lot to do. That's why I could not do it personally, and for one, it'd have been a lot to work on, and I would have had to take a whole day to myself just to actually figure out how to get that compressor out and how to change that condenser, you know what I'm saying? He had to, like I said, he had to take the front bumper off, had the car jacked up in the air so he can try to access the compressor. You know, it was just a lot, and I knew that wasn't something I would be able to do, you feel me? That's not something I would have been able to get done. So yeah, man, I'm glad we finally got this done. I'm so happy, bro. Now I can ride around AC or my windows down. I don't have to just have my windows down, you feel me? Now the last thing I really got to do to this car is figure out why my gas hand don't work. You know, I was thinking it might be my sending unit, or it might be the way the sending unit is grounded. Honestly, I don't know. I'm more so thinking it's the fuel pump, you know what I'm saying, the sending unit. So that's something I'm gonna have to definitely check out. But like I said, the gas hand works sometime, you feel me? It'll jump up and tell me where I'm at, but usually I have to go every other day putting gas in here just to make sure I still have gas in here and don't run out, you know? So that's the last thing I really gotta fix on here. Maybe it's just the cluster, because a few of my dash lights don't work, like my park reverse neutral drive, it don't show up here. My mallets show up, but you feel me, nothing else do. And my check engine light stay on, you know? That's one thing. And I'm gonna have to just get my code reader and read that code and get that off of there. It might be because of my aftermarket exhaust I did on here, but honestly I don't know. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm finna get out, show y'all the compressor. Y'all most likely not gonna be able to see the condenser just because the way I'm gonna have to try to angle y'all. I'm gonna figure something out, you feel me? But we finna get out, do that. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep going and elevating together. And let's go ahead and get out the car, you feel what I'm saying? And try to show y'all what I can. All right, y'all, we outside the car now. I had to go ahead and make sure the hood was up before I started recording this. But like I said, man, y'all ain't really gonna be able to see. Y'all can kind of see, but we got a brand new condenser on there. This little black mark right here, that's the condenser right there, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I knew y'all wouldn't barely be able to see it. Maybe, yeah, I can't really angle it right. Well, now y'all see. Brand new condenser on there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and the old one, I still got it. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and load up. I'm gonna get my uncle's truck, ask him if I can borrow his truck, load it up with all this scrap metal I have, my old box Chevy fenders. Can't really reuse them because they all cut up, you know what I'm saying? So the old fenders we got, he have an old refrigerator he told me to take it. So I'm basically gonna get all this old scrap and the old aluminum, like my old Cutlass radiator, all them old metal and everything, you feel me, all that metal and scrap and aluminum, all that stuff. I'm gonna take it to the scrap yard and, you feel me, get some money, you know? Why not do that and get some extra bread in my pocket, you know, and try to fund these bills. But yeah, man, y'all know this is what you use to put the Freon in, this line right here. And yeah, if y'all look down here, y'all can see the brand new compressor on there, man. Like I said, I didn't want to try to do it myself because I figured it would have been way too hard for me, especially since I'm not even a mechanic, you know. I'm what you would call like a YouTube mechanic. I try to do as much as I can myself, and whatever I can't do, you know. But y'all kind of see the tag. So yeah, man, like I said, brand new compressor, brand new condenser on the charger, you know, and then Freon was put in. And now my AC blow real cold, you know, finally, for the first time since I've owned the car. Ain't no telling how long the AC had went out before I bought this car, you know. Like I said, I got this car in 2017, it's 2024 now. I've owned this car for 7 years, which is actually, it's really crazy to say I've owned this car for 7 years. And the entire time I've owned this car, I've never had AC, never. You know, and that's kind of, like I said, it's kind of crazy. I've owned my first car. This is my first car I ever bought myself. Really, I bought all my cars, but like I said, this is my first car that I ever bought, and I still have it, you know. It ain't tore up, it's still running, the motor's still kicking and pushing. It's a 2006, it's almost a 20-year-old car, and I'm still running on the same original engine, you know, which is, it's a blessing, bro. I'm telling y'all, it's a blessing. But yeah, man, finally got some cold air in the daily. My daily been pushing, no AC, windows down, but now we got options. And like I said, I still gotta get them hood struts. I think it go from here to maybe that bolt. Nah, that seemed too short, but I know it go here, and I don't think it go to that bolt. And I don't see no extra bolts. Yeah, I don't know, but I guess I'm gonna just look it up. That's something I'm gonna be looking into get as well. But like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna record tomorrow when I go and get that scrap metal. I don't know if I'm gonna record. Probably not, you know, just because I need to focus on getting all that metal loaded and everything, and then unloading it at the scrap yard. Because at our scrap yard, they make us unload the stuff ourselves. All you do is drive through, weigh it, go and dump it yourself, come back and collect your money, you know what I'm saying? And they separate the aluminum and the metal so you can get more bread. But yeah, man, like I said, man, I'm so happy we finally got this finished. Condenser, new compressor, Freon was put in. And no, my coolant ain't low, it's right here, and the max line is right there. So it's basically full, about 85–90% full. But yeah, man, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so happy got this done. Like I said, the last car to get dropped off will be the box Chevy. The Cutlass is still getting worked on, still pushing, a lot of stuff getting done. And yeah, man, we just waiting on the box Chevy. So let me go ahead and just leave the hood up for now. I don't know if y'all seen that. Them cicadas is bad, bro, I'm telling y'all. But go ahead and turn the car over. Y'all hear it. Y'all can't feel it, but y'all hear it, you know what I'm saying? Man, y'all, I'm telling y'all. And it don't take long for it to get cold, you know what I'm saying? Usually it'll take a while for the car to try to get real cold. Well, a car, I should say. Usually take a while for a car to get real cold. But nah, you know, it get cool, you know what I'm saying? Real cool. And I'm so happy I got this done. So like I said, y'all can't feel it, but y'all hear it. And it's blowing, bro. Put it on cold, got that on. Man, dog, I'm telling y'all, first time I'm able to actually use my cold. I'm telling y'all, bro. And it feels so good, bro. I'm telling y'all, it feels so good. I'm so happy. So happy that this is done and out of the way. One less problem I really gotta worry about, you know? Man, bro, I'm telling you, I'm so happy. So let me close this hood up, man, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, guys, so not gonna lie to y'all, I can't take all the credit for this. I have to give a huge shout out to my uncle. He's the person, you feel me, that when I was growing up, I would stay with him and my grandma, you know what I'm saying? And once I got a little older, I had to go back with my grandma to, you feel me, help, you know? So yeah, like I said, I can't take all the credit for doing this, getting this done. My uncle helped me a lot, you know? Man, he's one of the reasons why I'm able to keep building these cars, you feel me? If I need help, all I gotta do is ask him, you feel me? And yeah, shout out to my uncle, man. And if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't even be doing what I'm doing right now, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of stuff, if I'm not able to do it, a lot of stuff y'all would not see getting done, you know? Yeah, a lot of the cars I funded myself, but like I said, if I ever needed anything, if I ever need help, my uncle will help me. And you feel me, I didn't have it all to be able to get that condenser. I got the compressor but not the condenser, and he helped me. So like I said, I'm not afraid to tell y'all I ain't got it. Y'all know I don't work a regular job. I don't work a 9 to 5. I don't, you know? And yeah, I could, and yeah, I should, but I just don't right now, you feel me? I'm focusing on finishing school and trying to get this content out for y'all, and then I'm doing my own little thing on the side, you know? I do a little bit of work on people's cars for them, or you feel me? I find a way to make money whenever I need to, you know? So like I said, I can't take all the credit. Huge shout out to my uncle for helping me get this done. And now after 7 years, my car finally has AC. So like I said, a few little things I need to do with this car. For one, I want to get all the windows retinted and get my windshield tinted. I gotta get I don't know if I need a whole fuel pump, if that's the reason for my dash or my gauge, you feel me? If I turn the car over, it's gonna say a quarter tank. Turn it down. Oh, now, okay, it moved. So it's gonna say a quarter tank, but I don't have a quarter tank in here. I know for sure, for a fact, you know what I'm saying, I don't have a quarter tank in here because I've been driving for a couple of days and I haven't put gas in here. So yeah, that's one thing I definitely need to make sure I do once I leave here. Go straight to the gas station, because I don't know how much in here. So like I said, I don't know if it's my fuel pump or if it's just my dash, but like I said, let me turn it over one more time. Y'all look and see my park. None of my lights right here cut on. My mileage show. Check engine light stay on. Now, like I said, I think that's most likely because of the exhaust that I did. But yeah, that don't show. Even when I put the car in like neutral or anything, it won't pop up. So like I said, I don't know if it's just the cluster or if it is the sending unit, the fuel pump, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, I don't know yet. So it's another thing I gotta fix. But like I said, there ain't really much left I want to do with this car. I want to repaint it and yeah, I want to repaint it and throw a clear coat on it. And like I said, get the windows retinted and do the front windshield as well this time. And yeah, man, it's like I said, not much left I want to do with this car. I want to get my seats done in here too, do like black and red, you feel me? But I want to find like the SRT seats for the 06 to 2010, you feel me? I want to find them seats. But yeah, man, like I said, got the AC in this car, finally finished. And yeah, I'm blessed, you know, I'm happy, and I'm glad my daily car, the car I drive every day, every single day, finally has AC. And now I can choose if I want to route the windows down, or like when, for instance, when it rains and I have to drive this car in the rain and I can't let my windows down to get air in, and before I had the AC, I couldn't do nothing, you know. I literally had to try to crack the windows to have air flowing through, but then water also drop in, and that was just a sacrifice I had to make, you know. But now I don't have to do that no more. I have AC, and I can play the AC when it's raining, and when it's not raining, I can have my windows down, you feel me? So yeah, I gotta hurry up and wrap this up because I'm getting a phone call. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all with all my heart, man. I'm gonna keep grinding for y'all, even though YouTube I ain't getting paid for doing this really. I'm gonna keep grinding for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all like watching the content, or a select few of y'all, you feel me? I know some of y'all like watching the content, and I like trying to bring as much as I can to y'all, you know? I've been grinding, I'm so ahead on videos, bro, it don't make no sense. So, but like I said, man, I love y'all, appreciate y'all with all my heart. God bless and keep God first, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.